Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, I know for many of you, the thought of getting your home tidied up and ready for the holidays can be a daunting task. But don't worry, because my next guests have been providing industry-leading home cleaning services for over 30 years. Joining us now from Custom Made Clean is Colleen Gasparo and Miranda Giglio. Thank you both for being here. Colleen, let's just first talk overall Custom Made Cleaning. What services do you offer?
We offer, we run the gamut of all kinds of things: occasional, one-time cleanings, move-ins, move-outs, holiday cleanings, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. However, even every 3 weeks we do too. So we kind of can work around anybody's schedule. Yeah,
and in this time of year, I'm sure you get calls from people who are like, somehow I'm hosting Christmas this year, and they panic.
Yeah.
With cleaning. So
oh yeah.
For those people, what kind of cleaning do you offer? To the whole house?
Yeah, we can do, like, if they only want like their downstairs cleaned, they're having, guests over and they just want like the downstairs areas cleaned, we can do that. Certainly we can do more of a deep cleaning for them too at that same time. Getting your woodwork, your kitchen cabinets, your bathroom vanities, things that you don't normally do. We also do all of the floors on our hands and knees, which is something companies just don't do these days. But we do that in order to get underneath things, to get your baseboards cleaned, things like that. The little nooks and crannies that people really, don't really get to. So we can do that for them. We also do another thing I forgot to mention. Very important is we are the last maybe 4 or 5 years we've been doing office cleaning, so small and large offices. We do that. We have a crew that comes out, like the early evening crew, and we also have an overnight crew that does. We actually do the Riviera Theater after events, so that's interesting, and it's a beautiful place. But yeah, we can do all kinds of things for people.
And Miranda, it's a team that comes out to clean. It's not just one person, so there's a team that tackles.
That's right, yeah. So we do have a team that comes out, and so really it's a lot quicker than one person coming to your house that could be there all day. So we have a team of 2, 3, 4 people. They'll come out, they'll be there for like an hour, and then they're out of your house, and your house is sparkling clean.
Yeah, and you think about when you're cleaning your house, like, oh, I've already done 2 rooms, I don't want to do another one. That's the advantage of bringing some experts in and a team here.
That's
now,
right.
Christmas time is here, holiday time is here. Miranda, very popular gift item, gift certificates.
Yeah, so we do. We have a gift card here. Yep. So we give the gift, or we have gift cards. We sell a ton of them every year. It's a big gift that people like to give, like that gift of time, and the gift of a clean house. It's great.
Yeah, and Colleen, we're going in the winters here, and there's a lot of stuff that we bring into our homes.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, yeah. So there's, like, you're talking about, like, especially Western New York, we all know, and I noticed it in your hallway too here. I know. I just have an eye for this.
Can't unsee
but anyway,
it.
I know. No, it's the salt residue that you bring in. Okay, it's all by the front doors of people's homes. It's, comes in your garages. So really the best thing to do to, get rid of that would be like a mixture of hot water and vinegar. The vinegar, the acidity in the vinegar actually neutralizes the salt, so it cleans it right up. I would suggest like using a microfiber rag, wring it out really tight, and even on the wood floors you can use it, but then just have a dry rag to, dry it up with. But they come out beautiful, clean. It's a natural product, but it works great. So yeah, that and like glitter from ornaments and things like that. Just make sure, even if you don't have pets, have a lint roller, because you can clean that stuff up just like that with the
See, look at
rollers.
that. You got some tips
I
here
know.
also.
Yeah.
We'll have you talk to management about all right, we're going to tell everybody how they can get some service from Custom Made Cleaning. It is your go-to service for keeping your house or business clean year-round. Right now, you can save $50 when you sign up for weekly or bi-weekly services. For more information on all the services they provide, visit their website at custom-made-inc.com. You can also give them a call at 775-0820. I'm sure you should probably do that now if you want that holiday cleaning. Get on the schedule today. Also, check them out on Facebook and follow them on Twitter. Now stay right there, because coming up next in our second half hour, we'll tell you how Key Productions can help preserve your old family home videos so they last a lifetime. Western New York Living will continue.
This segment of Western New York Living was sponsored by the following: